So friend, trick is nothing but it is a mnemonics which you have to remember. So all the presentation you will got the idea of that which presentation has a which example. So we will start. So as there is one sentence by which you will get all these examples with its presentation. So we will start. First of all, the example is many presidents are landing in China tomorrow. Presidents are meeting. Dear people, first बाद में speech होगी. So by learning this sentence you will learn all type of the presentations. So let's start. So friends, as I have told, I have write it as you could understand that what I am writing. So we will start from each example. So as the first line we have written that many presidents. So many, in many, m start for the marginal presentation, which is the first in, and presidents, this p in the president start for the p plant. Now coming toward the next sentence, that is are landing in China tomorrow. So here a stand for the exile presentation, and L stand for the its example are the lemon, China, chili, and from the tomorrow, tomato. So this is the easiest way to learn, friends. Now coming toward the next, that is the presidents. So we will president stands for the parietal or parietal presentation, in which the R stand for the argemone, and meeting in M stand for the mustard. And last one is that second last one is that dear people first, in which the this F stand for the free central, and these are the example of this presentation. So first one is the dianthus, and second one is the prime rose. You will not understand like this. So prime rose, and this all example from the NCERT. So I think that no one question except this example will be asked. Each and every example of the NCERT have been covered here. Now बाद में speech होगी. So here बाद stand for the basal presentation, may M stand for the marigold, and S stand for the sunflower. So friend, this is all about how to remember the presentation. Thank you friends.